Hi, Adam Hancock here again from Stocks Happening in Singapore. Now, airline stocks, an industry that has been ravaged by coronavirus, travel restrictions, planes being grounded, staff being furloughed, companies going bust, legendary investor Warren Buffett dumping all his stocks. It sounds like a no-go area, but weirdly, it could be something to make money from. Stocks are soaring at the moment, and you can get some bargain basement prices on some big airlines. So I'm going to do a bit of an experiment. I'm going to use 75 British pounds to buy stocks in 3 different airlines. Now I'm going to use the trading platform Trading 212, and I'm going to first of all start with EasyJet, the UK low budget airline, one of the very first low cost airlines, quite famous around the world. Now, at the moment, I can get 3.7 shares at £24.71. They were up 20% in the last week alone, EasyJet shares. They've managed to secure 600 million from the UK Treasury, and they're going to borrow another 407 million even from commercial creditors. So that means it should be able to survive at least 9 months without flying. Now, they're going to try and get back up in June, July, so they're going to be flying anyway, but it's not going to quite be as many flights as we used to, and who knows yet what passenger uptake is going to be. Next, we've got Wizz Air, one of those dirt cheap European airlines focused on Central and Eastern Europe. They are one of the companies with really high growth over the last few years. At the moment, I can get 0.7 shares for £23.66. Now, their shares were also up 16% last week. They've been flying throughout the pandemic, not many flights admittedly, but they've still been going. But they have avoided buying back shares, so they've got strong liquidity, and they're really leading airline in certain parts of Europe. So they're a good option if restrictions do get eased and if people get flying again. And finally, in America, Delta Airlines. I can get 1.2 shares at £24.98. They were up 17% last week. They have a much stronger balance sheet than many airlines in the US, and they should be able to ride out the crisis. As we've seen, the US really is in reopening mode at the moment, so domestic tourism could definitely be on the rise. At the moment, it's just £25 worth of stock in each, but I'm going to keep an eye on it over the coming weeks and see if we can get some growth out of it. Remember, if you're interested in also buying airline stocks, as always, when you invest, your money is at risk. And this video shouldn't be used as personal investment advice. Your money could, of course, go up or down, and you should make your own decisions and seek advice if needed. It's just me making a prediction and saying what I hope will happen. And if airline shares really do take off, then I could be in the money.